In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 nail guns available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best nail guns. The 5th product on our list is the KIMO Brad Nailer. We know that you might get confused when shopping for the best nail gun for the job due to the different brands on the market. So we have done the homework for you by providing a list of some of the best nail guns, and the KIMO Brad Nailer is one of them. We think that the dual design of this unit puts it in a league of its own. You will get a nail gun and a staple in one when you buy this tool. Powered by a KIMO 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, this nail gun can drive up to 700 brads when fully charged. We like that the battery has up to 1,000 charging cycles, making it long-lasting. This nail gun is compatible with 18-gauge staples that measure between 0.75 to 1.63 inches and 18-gauge nails that measure between 0.75 to 2 inches, offering 2 modes of operation, single or rapid-fire mode, and with an on-site dual-mode switch, you can toggle between these 2 modes effortlessly. This nail gun can fire up to 90 nails per minute in rapid-firing mode. Meanwhile, the single mode is used when precision is needed. As the job requires, you can adjust its depth of drive by twisting a knob found at the top of the nailer. It works well with decorative molding, casing, and shoe molding. Also, this KIMO Brad nail gun boasts a lightweight and compact footprint, making it the right nailer for tight spaces and rooftop work. Close to its head are dual built-in LED lights to illuminate your workspace. This is especially handy when you're working in low-lit or dusty environments. There's also additional arrow light indicator on the side of the nail gun to help troubleshoot effectively when there is an issue. Its pros are, it is cordless, its magazine is straightforward to load and unload, and its handle is ergonomic. However, it does not include an extra battery. The KIMO Brad Nailer is suitable for anyone looking for a device that offers versatility on the worksite. Up next in 4th place is the BOSTITCH Smart Point. This is a durable and super efficient pneumatic brad nailer suitable for handling paneling, cabinet tops, upholstery, and other woodworking projects. It is called a Smart Point because it has a special design that gives it a nose tip 80% smaller than other brad nail guns. This feature benefits high precision because it lets you see the point where the fastener will penetrate the work surface. For more accuracy, there's a Dial A depth control feature. This is the same as the adjustable depth of drive feature found on other nail guns. And as usual, it ensures precise countersinking of nails to your desired depth. The BOSTITCH is engineered to drive 18-gauge thin nails only. Therefore, there's little or no risk of splitting narrow or delicate workpieces. It can hold up to 100 brad nails of 0.63 to 2.1 inches in its magazine. Armed with 2 selectable trigger systems, this brad nail gun can fire sequentially for more accuracy and precise nail placement, or in a bump with greater speed where precision nail placement is not needed. We like that for safety, there's a trigger lock that you can turn on when the gun is not in use or when you want to change the firing mode. Oil-free operation is another unique feature that sets BOSTITCH apart from its competitors. Unlike most pneumatic nail guns, it requires no oiling, keeping your workspace free from stains, and also saving time on maintenance. Furthermore, it features a tool-free jam-releasing mechanism. This allows you to remove jammed nails quickly and easily without needing extra tools. Its pros are, it runs quietly, it has an ergonomic handle, and it includes an integrated pencil sharpener. However, its cons are, it has no LED indicator for error, and you need to check how many nails are left in the magazine manually. The BOSTITCH Smart Point is suitable for anyone looking for a nail gun with high precision and accuracy. Still haven't found a nail gun that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT Brad Nailer Kit. DEWALT has a history of producing high-quality tools, and this brad nailer unit is no exception. If you want to save time and still maintain accuracy while working on projects, you should certainly consider it. It has the same ultra-slim nose tip found in the BOSTITCH that increases precision by ensuring sight lines are clear. While working, You can also adjust the nail gun's drive depth using its depth adjustment feature. The DEWALT nailer also does not jam often, but we like that when it does, it can be cleared without hassle, using its tool-free jam release function. With a lightweight of about 2.65 pounds, a compact footprint, and a brushless motor, it maximizes ease of use and provides optimal performance. There's also an adjustable belt hook for more convenience when switching between tools. It is compatible with 18-gauge brads measuring 0.63 to 2 inches and is powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery that lasts for 2 to 3 hours of constant use. Moreover, the DEWALT has 2 modes of operation. With the tool-free selectable trigger, you can set it to sequential or contact actuation. Furthermore, its LED lighting improves brad's alignment to make positioning more accurate and provide workspace illumination. Its pros are, it has a low nail lock to prevent dry firing, it is durable, and it has an ergonomic rubber grip. However, you need to remove the trigger entirely to switch firing modes. The DEWALT brad nailer is suitable for anyone looking for an ultralight and high-precision nail gun. The second product on our list is the Numax framing nailer. This next unit is one of the best-selling pneumatic framing nail guns available on the market today. It is highly versatile and suitable for roof decking, subfloors, wall framing, wood fencing, and more. Its magazine is compatible with plastic collated nails between 2 and 3.5 inches and can carry up to 55 nails at a time. We like that it shoots with 70 to 115 pounds per square inch pressure, which is enough for most projects. The Numax also has some adjustable features that make it a more flexible tool to use. These features include depth adjustment, 360-degree adjustable air exhaust, and 2 interchangeable trigger options. With the depth adjustment wheel near the tool nose, you can customize the depth drive of this nail gun to suit any project you're working on. Also, the adjustable exhaust allows you to keep exhausted air away from your face and blow debris away from your workplace. However, the interchangeable trigger option is the reason for its dual firing mode, which is sequential and bump firing as seen in other nail guns. Other exciting features of the Numax include a no-mar tip, no-slip tip, and anti-dust cap. The no-mar tip eliminates dents or dings from your work surface. The no-slip teeth ensures safety when doing toenailing, while the anti-dust cap keeps internal parts of the nail gun free from environmental damage. Furthermore, the Numax has a solid build. It is a nail gun with a magnesium body that weighs about 8.6 pounds, but still maintains a proper weight balance when firing. Its pros are, it does not dry fire, it is made of high-quality materials, and it is easy to use. However, its cons are, its jam removal option is not tool-free. The Numax framing nailer is suitable for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile nail gun. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals in each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top nail gun is the Porter Cable Brad Nailer Kit. Porter Cable is a brand well known for producing great tools for do-it-yourself enthusiasts and professionals alike, and this cordless brad nailer is no exception. This nail gun is number 1 on our list for many reasons, so you probably won't need to look further than this to find the best overall. There's no need for gas cartridges or an air compressor with this nail gun, as a 1.5 amp-hour 20-volt lithium-ion battery powers it. When fully charged, the battery can last for 2 to 3 hours and deliver up to 1,300 brads in the process. It works with 18-gauge brad nails that measure from 0.63 to 2 inches, and we like that its magazine has a holding capacity of 100 nails at once. What's more, Porter Cable made this brad nail gun very user-friendly. To that end, it has a lot of tool-free settings to help productivity. These settings include a tool-free jam and stall release lever, and a tool-free adjustable drive depth, which is great for countersinking. Other great features include a lightweight of 5.9 pounds, multifunctional LED lights, and a trigger lock system. Its lightweight prevents arm fatigue when using it for a long time. The LED lights serve as battery life indicators and also illuminate your workspace. At the same time, the trigger lock system puts your safety first by preventing the inadvertent firing of nails. If you need a nail gun that actually makes your work easier, this is the way to go. Its pros are, it is very efficient, it has a robust yet lightweight build, it includes a battery and charger, and it provides a range of ergonomic features. However, its rubber anti-recoil tip is a bit too large for precise boarding work. The Porter Cable brad nailer is suitable for anyone looking for a powerful and lightweight nail gun they can use for DIY projects or professionally. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.